Start by tightly clamping your yarn meter to a sturdy table with your yarn winder positioned to its right. Set the meter to 0 by pressing the reset button. First, thread the yarn through the yarn guide on the left side of the meter. Guide the yarn along the top of the wheel and wrap it all the way around once. Then, thread the yarn through the yarn guide on the right side of the wheel. Pull the yarn towards the ball winder. Thread your yarn through the L-shaped wire arm, then through the revolving wire arm, and finally, fasten it tightly into the groove of the bobbin. Turn the crank on the ball winder to start winding. When the yarn has run out, stop the wheel with your hand to keep it from further spinning. After we finish measuring our yarn, the meter reads 119 meters and 9 decimeters. If you would like to convert the units to yards, it's very simple. 1 meter equals 1.1 yards. So using our example, I would multiply 119.9 meters by 1.1, which converts our measurement to 131.89 yards. And that concludes our demonstration. Thank you for watching.